Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, easy remedy to get rid of headaches fast without having to take any over-the-counter medicine. It's totally 100% natural and effective and also happens to smell amazing. Why? Because we're going to use essential oils. Keep watching for this step-by-step. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are Spa Room, an aromatherapy brand dedicated to sharing how-tos and DIY projects that bring peace and joy into your home. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Let's make your very own aromatherapy inhaler that can help you get rid of your headache fast and release the grip of that unpleasant feeling within seconds. Ready to have a magic aromatherapy remedy? Let's get to it. This recipe will make one aromatherapy inhaler that you can use frequently throughout your day. The full recipe is in the description, along with the links where you can find everything. This is what you'll need. First, here are the blending tools that you'll need. A personal aromatherapy inhaler. This is a handy little container that kind of looks like a lipstick tube, and we actually use them for our Halls aromatherapy inhalers that you can find on our website. Our Halls one are made of plastic, as you can see here, and you open it to sniff the aromas that are inside. Or you can opt to use a fancier one, like this metal personal inhaler. Both have the same basic parts, an inner and outer cover, and a skinny cotton insert that will absorb your essential oils. To mix everything together, you will need a small bowl. We prefer using one that won't absorb the essential oils, so we recommend staying away from plastic or wood. You can also use a popsicle stick. And finally, you will need a tweezer to be able to pick up the small cotton insert and put it inside the inhaler. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Since we're creating something for headache relief, we are going to go with these essential oils: Peppermint Essential Oil and Lavender Essential Oil. Each of these essential oils have the properties to cool down inflammation and soothe pain. Peppermint Essential Oil is steam distilled from the leaves of the common peppermint herb. It is loaded with unique aromatic molecules that have been shown to quickly relieve pain and reduce feelings of inflammation. Next, we're going to use some Lavender Essential Oil, which is steam distilled from the flowering tops of the lavender herb-like bush. Lavender has been used for centuries for its soothing, calming, and quieting properties, and it is a perfect aromatic ingredient for soothing a headache. Now, let's make it. All you need to do now is drop your essential oils into your bowl. We're going to add 14 drops of Lavender Essential Oil, then 3 drops of Peppermint Essential Oil. Swirl everything around in the bowl and mix it with your mixing tool. Next, drop in the cotton insert and use your tweezer to move it around so it soaks up all the essential oils. Next, take your tweezer and lift out the cotton insert and slide it into the inner tube of your inhaler, and then close up your inhaler. Now, it's ready to use. For best results, carry your inhaler with you at all times and sniff it as much as you need to help soothe away headaches and keep you focused. Want to start using more natural plant-powered ingredients in your wellness routine? Then keep following us for more tips and education about essential oils, how to use them, aromatherapy, and easy home how-tos. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell for more wellness tips. And remember, wellness starts with simple, mindful choices. See you next time.